It's the legal reaction to this.
We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty, so say we all.
In the days following the acquittal of Caylee Anthony on the most serious charges against her, state houses around the nation are coming up with new laws to punish parents who don't quickly report missing children.
Caylee's Law is a piece of legislation that I proposed recently in the wake of the trial in Florida about the horrendous death of that little baby girl.
More than a dozen other states are considering similar statutes. While they differ slightly in essence, the proposals would make it a felony for a parent or other caregiver to not report a missing child, or not report a child's death or location of a child's corpse. In most of the cases, parents are given 12 to 48 hours to report a missing child and a few hours to report a death. If
my laws were on the books in Florida, she would have been acquitted, as it seems, of the murder charge, but she could be looking at almost 12 years of prison time and significant fines.
Caylee! Caylee! The verdict sparked outrage with some who seemed bent on revenge.
My guess is one of the reasons why there's so much anger over this trial and the verdict is because people feel so powerless. That isn't the outcome that they had wanted or expected, and yet nevertheless they're forced to live with it.
He says creating such laws is actually a healthier way to deal with the situation than acting out in rage.
We can take the anger and the passion that we have, which I think in many respects is actually quite good and very helpful, to use it in a constructive way to change the laws in a way that we think are going to make for a more just and more righteous society.
Others, though, say the proposals won't change anything, as cases like Caylee Anthony's are too few and far between, and the laws may never be used. Rita Foley, The Associated Press.